Hey there, busy bees! We all know how time-consuming cleaning can be. But what if I told you there are some super simple hacks that could save you hours every week? That's right. Today we're sharing 10 cleaning hacks that will help you keep your home spotless in no time. Let's dive in. Hack 10. Prevent soap scum with cooking spray. Soap scum can be a real nuisance in keeping your bathroom spotless. But there's an unexpected solution that can help. Cooking spray. To keep that pesky soap scum at bay, simply spray a light coat of cooking spray on your shower door. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe it off with a clean cloth. The oil in the spray forms a protective barrier, preventing soap scum from sticking and saving you time and effort on future scrubbing. It's a quick and easy way to maintain a sparkling clean shower with minimal effort. Hack 9. Use rubber gloves to remove pet hair. If you have pets, you know how hard it can be to keep furniture and carpets free of fur. But there's an easy trick that can save you time and effort. Just grab a pair of rubber gloves, the kind you use for cleaning, and put them on. Then, rub your gloved hands over the areas where pet hair has collected. The friction from the rubber creates static electricity, which attracts the fur like a magnet. The pet hair will stick to the gloves, making it easy to gather and throw away. This simple hack works great on all kinds of surfaces and will leave your home looking cleaner in no time. Hack 8. Clean your shower easily with a dish wand. Cleaning the shower doesn't have to be a big chore. You can make it simple by using a dish wand filled with a mix of half vinegar and half dish soap. Keep the dish wand right in the shower, and when you're taking a shower, give the tiles a quick scrub. Doing this regularly will help prevent soap scum from building up, so you won't have to spend a lot of time doing deep cleaning later on. This quick and easy habit will keep your shower sparkling clean with minimal effort. Hack 7. Speed up laundry drying with a dry towel. Need your laundry to dry faster? Here's a simple trick. Toss a clean, dry towel into the dryer along with your wet clothes. The dry towel will soak up some of the moisture, helping your clothes dry quicker. This hack is especially useful when you're drying large loads, like towels and bedding, which usually take longer. By using this method, you can save time and energy, getting your laundry done faster and more efficiently. Hack 6. Freshen up. Cutting boards with lemon and salt. Cutting boards can easily pick up bacteria and odors, but there's a simple way to keep them clean and fresh. Start by sprinkling coarse salt all over the surface of the board. Then, take half a lemon and use it to scrub the board. The salt works as a gentle abrasive to remove stains, while the lemon naturally disinfects and gets rid of any lingering smells. After scrubbing, rinse the board with water, and it will look and smell as good as new. This quick and easy hack will help you maintain a cleaner and safer kitchen. Hack 5. Dishwasher magic for small items. Your dishwasher is a versatile cleaning tool that can handle more than just dishes. To give your sponges, toothbrush holders, and even certain kids' toys a deep clean, simply place them on the top rack of your dishwasher. Add your detergent, run a regular cycle, and let your dishwasher work its magic. This is a convenient and effective way to sanitize these items without the hassle of manual scrubbing. Sponges, in particular, can harbor harmful bacteria if not cleaned regularly. By running them through the dishwasher, you can eliminate these germs and ensure that your sponges are safe to use. Toothbrush holders can also accumulate bacteria and grime, which can be transferred to your toothbrush. Cleaning them in the dishwasher can help to prevent the spread of germs. Hack 4. Use a pillowcase to clean ceiling fans. Cleaning ceiling fans can be a tedious and messy task, but there's a simple and effective way to tackle it without the mess. By using an old pillowcase, you can easily trap dust and prevent it from falling onto your furniture. Simply slip a pillowcase over one of the fan blades, then gently pull it back. The pillowcase will catch the dust, making it easy to dispose of. Repeat this process for each blade, and your ceiling fan will be clean and dust-free in no time. This clever hack is a great way to save time and effort while keeping your home clean and tidy. So, next time you need to dust your ceiling fans, grab a pillowcase and give this method a try. Hack 3. Vinegar and baking soda for fresh drains. If your drains smell bad, there's an easy fix you can try using vinegar and baking soda. This natural method helps keep your drains fresh and prevents clogs. Here's how to do it. 1. Get your ingredients. You'll need half a cup of baking soda and half a cup of vinegar. Both are common household items and work great together. 2. Add baking soda. First, pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain. It's best if the drain is dry, so if you've just used it, wait until it's completely drained. 3. Follow with vinegar. Next, pour half a cup of vinegar into the drain. You'll see and hear a fizzy reaction. This is normal and shows the ingredients are working. Wait a few minutes. Let the baking soda and vinegar sit in the drain for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the mixture time to neutralize odors and break down any buildup inside the drain. 5. Rinse with hot water. After waiting, flush the drain with hot water. This will help wash away any leftover residue and clean the drain. Hack 2. Clean your microwave with steam. Tired of struggling with stubborn food splatters in your microwave? A quick and easy steam cleaning method can work wonders. Simply fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and a few slices of lemon. Microwave the mixture for 5 minutes, allowing the steam to loosen any stuck-on grime. Once the steam has done its job, simply wipe away the softened residue with a damp cloth. Not only will your microwave be sparkling clean, but the lemon-infused steam will also leave it smelling fresh and inviting. This natural cleaning method is a great alternative to harsh chemical cleaners that can be harmful to both you and the environment. The steam from the hot water and lemon helps to break down food particles and grease, making them easier to remove. Additionally, the lemon adds a refreshing citrus scent to your microwave, leaving it smelling clean and pleasant. To make the most of this cleaning method, make sure to fill the bowl with enough water to create a good amount of steam. You can also add a few drops of essential oil to the water for an even more pleasant aroma. After microwaving the mixture, allow the steam to sit for a few minutes before wiping away the residue. This will give the steam time to work its magic and loosen any stubborn stains. Hack 1. Use a lint roller for dusting. Lint rollers are versatile cleaning tools that can be used for more than just removing lint from your clothes. They are also highly effective for tackling dust on a variety of surfaces, including lampshades, furniture, and even your car's interior. One of the biggest advantages of using a lint roller for dusting is that it is a quick and easy way to get the job done. Simply roll the lint roller over the surface you want to clean, and the adhesive strips will pick up dust and pet hair. There is no need to drag out a duster or vacuum, which can be time-consuming and messy. And there you have it. 10 cleaning hacks that will save you time and keep your home looking spotless. Which hack are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!